There they go. Abhishek Pal of Uttar Pradesh in front.
अब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया।
Four of the athletes are over there. Abhishek Pal of Uttar Pradesh, 10,000 meter Asian Championship bronze medal winner in 2023, 2024 Asian cross country silver medal winner, and 2025 Federation Cup champion. Abhishek Pal. And a couple of Abhishek Pal of Uttar Pradesh who is in front. In the second it is Kiran Matre of Maharashtra. In the third at present it is V. Monish of Tamil Nadu. And in the fourth Rahul of Haryana.
कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे।
Well, Muthu, one thing is certain, you don't need to take a bath when you go back. You'll be so drenched in this clean water. You know, water which comes from the skies is absolutely clean. There is no dirt like you get from your taps at home. So on the lighter side, I think it's a tribute to these athletes. You know, you can have the 5,000 and the 10,000 meters in these conditions. It's virtually pouring out here. Swimming events don't take place. You know, the reason is because if there's lightning in the pool, the lightning is a conductor of water. So the swimming events don't take place. But you're watching the top three athletes. In fact, all four of them are India stars, except Gulveer is not here. But Abhishek Pal, Kiran Matre, Shadab is missing. So Shadab is the other good athlete from India. And then you got Monish and Rahul. But Abhishek and Kiran Matre have been one of our top athletes over the last year plus.
Kiran Matre is at the second position as of now. Kiran Matre of Maharashtra, 2024 Federation Cup bronze medal winner and 2025 Federation Cup bronze medal winner. So 2024 as well as 25 had won the bronze medal in Federation Cup. And as far as the results of the last edition, it was Gulveer Singh of Uttar Pradesh who had created a new meet record in the last edition, and it was Sunil Damar of Madhya Pradesh who had won the silver, Gagan Singh of Haryana who had won the bronze. Abhishek Pal of Uttar Pradesh still going strong, closely followed by Kiran Matre of Maharashtra. And of course, all the four are moving together just behind one another. Maintain the same distance, same pace, moving all through. And as the fourth athlete, we have Rahul of Haryana. In the third, it is Monish. The national record stands in the name of Gulveer Singh of Uttar Pradesh with 13 minutes 11.82 seconds, which was created in 2024 at Niigata, Japan, while the Interstate Athletic Championship record also stands in the name of Gulveer Singh, which had been created in 2024, and that is at 13 minutes 34.67 seconds. Still moving in the same stride, same speed, same distance between them. Abhishek Pal of Uttar Pradesh in front. Kiran Matre Matre in the second position.
वतन मेरे वतन
Still the four athletes Abhishek Pal, Kiran Matre, Monish and Rahul moving together just one after the other. There is no breakaway from the group. They remain as a group.
So the pattern continues here with Abhishek. He started off in the same fashion. He continues to do that. Kiran Matre and him. Abhishek on the opening day won the 10,000 meters. Done well. Was a medalist in both the 5,000 and the 10,000 meters at the National Games in Dehradun. The rain seems to have stopped now, so thank God. It's surely going to help the athletes to some way. It's become pleasant. We've now got Kiran Matre being pushed to 3. In fact, Abhishek also being pushed to 2nd. So we seem to be having a bit of a surprise here. So we've got 7 laps to go. Because of the rain, the lap indicator has been closed with covering, and I can understand because it can have an electrical problem.
So have to move for 6 more laps, and now it is V. Monish who is in the lead. Abhishek Pal slips to 2nd, Kiran Matre in the 3rd, and Rahul in the 4th.
Abhishek Muthu has got a very strong finish. You remember yesterday, day before yesterday on the opening day to 10,000 meters, he had the number 2 chasing him all the way towards the end, but that final finish or the burst from Abhishek and the experience, so he's a good finisher, except that conditions here are slightly different. These athletes do prepare for every possible condition. I don't know. I don't know if, or I don't remember it's snowing. I've seen a football match being played with snow falling down in England. I don't remember an athletic event being held with snow coming down. But rain, yes, it's a regular feature. So these athletes, Muthu, are all prepared to face any condition. The heat of 45 degrees, the cool of the 7-8 degrees in Europe or in America.
Kiran Matre of Maharashtra still maintaining the first position. Rahul of Haryana wants to get into the 2nd, but Abhishek Pal in his usual rhythm maintaining the 2nd. 3 moves away, and they constitute the top bunch, leaving B. Monish of Tamil Nadu a little behind. He is almost 10 meters away from the lead bunch. We could see the pace increases over there. Kiran Matre of Maharashtra increases, and Abhishek Pal also increases the speed. Abhishek Pal can catch him up at any point of time. And they increase the speed rapidly. They execute the curve, and Abhishek Pal from and behind is about to catch him at any point of time. Yes, both are not prepared to give it up. It is between Kiran Matre and Abhishek Pal. Yes, this is the moment where Abhishek Pal of Uttar Pradesh moving for the goal, leaving Kiran Matre of Maharashtra for the 2nd. As Milind Wagles are predicted correctly. Abhishek Paul from behind, he opened only in the finishing point of time, and that shows the sort of ability what he has. Yes, watch out. This is the home stretch in which they are entering now. At this point of time also Kiran Matre is in front, and only now he is rubbing shoulders with him, and Abhishek Paul moves in front, and at this point of time no one can take away the gold from Abhishek Paul, and that is going to be the second gold for Abhishek Paul in this 64th National Interstate Senior Athletics Championship. Abhishek Paul of Uttar Pradesh finishing with 15 minutes 00.83 seconds. Kiran Matre of Maharashtra settling for the